In real estate planning, one wrong decision, like ignoring road access, pipelines, or drainage, can turn a profitable project into a financial burden. So how do professionals actually know if a site is worth investing in? This is where GIS changes everything, and MAPOG make it surprisingly simple to visualize, analyze, and decide before investing a single penny. We start by going to story.mapog.com and creating a new map, selecting the default template, and defining our project title, description, and click Create to save the map. Coming to the map interface, change the logo using Replace option, it helps with branding. Come to Process Reference Layers and click Upload Vector File, browse and upload the proposed site locations. Each polygon represents a potential development site, and clicking on them reveals their details. For feasibility analysis, context is everything. So, we head to GIS data and search down to our exact location and add key infrastructure layer, pipelines. Rename it and using Add Layer Style add suitable color and size to pipeline for better clarity. Now to add other infrastructure layers such as power line, drains and road, come to GIS data again, and instead of manually locating areas, we simply search the place, and MAPOG brings everything into view. To make the road data useful, we use the advanced filter to extract only trunk roads. Select the target data as road and enable the filter by layer attributes and values. Now set the field as highway as it's carrying all value of different road, select the operation as equals to and set the value as trunk as we need to extract trunk road from the road layer and click on Submit. Now the result will come, we can download it or publish it on map so we can work on it. This gives us only the major connectivity routes. Next, come to Buffer tool, select the trunk road layer and set buffer range as 500 meters and click Submit. This shows areas with strong accessibility, one of the most critical factors in real estate success. But the buffer layer looks messy, so come to Merge Polygon tool, here select the layer data as trunk road buffer and select the operation by attribute. Now select proper attribute and value and save it in a new layer. It evens out the buffer layer. We repeat the same process for power lines, this time creating a 1 kilometer buffer. Because proximity to utilities can significantly reduce development costs. Now comes the smart analysis. To identify nearby utilities, go to Nearby Neighbor. Select the main layer as pipelines and select appropriate attributes from it. Select the joining layer as proposed site location and same way select attributes from it. Set radius as 200 meter and limit as 10 and submit. As result, only the closest 10 results appear, giving focused, decision-ready insights. We repeat the same for drains. Now, we combine everything. If a site falls within road and power line buffers, and has pipelines and drainage nearby, go to its attribute section, edit the feasibility and mark it as high feasibility. Others can be classified as moderate or low based on infrastructure availability. Using Add Layer Style, we categorize sites by feasibility, assigning colors for easy understanding. In seconds, complex data becomes a clear decision-making map. Finally, click on Preview and Share, make it public, and share or embed it for teams and stakeholders. Even collaboration becomes seamless using Add User option. Real estate success isn't just about location anymore, it's about data-driven decisions. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.